Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today again we are going to witness Vijay Sethupathi sir.
Yes, and this one is Tughlaq Darbar official
teaser.
teaser.
Yes.
So we are very happy that back to back, ये सब
Lot of
निकल
the
रहा
things we
है.
are
Lot of the
getting to
things
see,
are
yes.
going on in 2021, starting off. So we are extremely very happy about
Right.
this. That
I think
all of the
by this thing only
halted,
we can judge that
हाँ.
we are going back to our normal life.
normal
nowadays,
life,
yes.
really that is very needed, and all of the halted good things are
Yes.
coming out right now.
Yeah.
So yes, this is Tughlaq Darbar official teaser. So we have Vijay Sethupathi sir, the great Vijay Sethupathi sir,
Yes.
Rashi Khanna, Manjima Mohan, R. Parthivan, and Karuna Karan. Okay.
Yes.
They are all the casts, and
this
this is
movie is
directed by
Delhi
Delhi Prasad. Okay, so let's get started. We have already done a Tughlaq Darbar
a lyrical song, I think, yes.
Lyrical song, na?
Yes.
That was phenomenal, okay?
Yeah.
So let's get started with today's video, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we always make good contents, and please stay connected with us so that you can enjoy all of the contents with us, and also please click on the notification bell. तो चलो जल्दी से शुरू करते हैं तुगलक दरबार.
Okay.
Oh.
Guys, happens, right?
आँख फड़फड़ाना.
हाँ.
ஒருத்தன் கூட இருக்கான் என்னை யூஸ் பண்றான் நல்லா வச்சு செய்யறான்
Ish.
நமக்கு தெரியாத ஒருத்தன் ஆனா நம்ம விஷயத்தெல்லாம் தெரிஞ்ச ஒருத்தன் யார் அந்த நாலாவது ஆள்? ஏய், அவனை தட்டி தூக்கிட்டு வாங்கடா.
எப்படினாலும் நீங்க என்ன சும்மா விட போறது இல்லை. அதனால நானும் உங்களை சும்மா விடுறேன். நேரடியாக மோதி பார்ப்போம்.
Great, man.
Wow. I think this is a
Super.
kind of political kind of movie, right?
Political kind of
I
movie.
feel like
हाँ.
that only.
Lot of dark faces, lot of this kind of क्या बोलते हैं उसको, जो खराब चीजें, मतलब dark truth of the society kind of stuff.
There will
that
be
kind of stuff.
politics like that. Everybody will fight for
Justice.
that throne, right?
Throne.
Yes.
हाँ.
I think like that only.
Like that only, because it was like not having any subtitles, so we could not understand the whole
Yes.
context of it. But what we understood is this movie is basically on the political side, on the dark side of the society, kind of like that. Because one girl was kidnapped, and she was
Yes.
there, and a lot of goons were fighting with each other. They like the fight were very rough. The
Yes,
fight scenes are
exactly.
very rough, and it is a kind of action, as well as I think some humor also will be there.
But
Some portion.
this teaser, it was not that much clear to us.
It is not that much clear to us. Yes, to be very frank, because this is a very small
Yes.
1 minute teaser, so
And
all of the
mostly they
context
have
were not
covered.
clear that
Mostly
much.
they have covered only political side. That some guys are there trying to achieve
Trying to
their
achieve the
political goals,
political
and for
gaddi.
those things,
हाँ.
for those things they are fighting with each other, something
True.
like that.
हाँ.
Lot of politics behind the scene. It's going on.
It's going on.
So I feel like
So,
that only. And Tughlaq Darbar, exactly. I think Vijay Sethupathi sir, he will acquire the
they
throne.
will
I think so.
acquire the throne. I think Vijay Sethupathi sir is a very like kind of middle class backgrounded person
Right.
over here, and he
Maybe
is
he was some PA or
हाँ,
that kind of guy of the minister.
of the minister, and he knows all of the holes and everything, like all
Everything.
of the information
Loopholes or
and loopholes and everything he has he is having, and with that loopholes only he is trying to achieve that. And also I think he is
Right.
playing around, he is
Yes.
playing some tricks and attempts to achieve the throne, and you know, in that scenario a lot of truth will be coming up and a lot of twists will be happening in the story. So like
And
that only,
like that only, I think
what we can understand.
he will started ruling everybody,
Yeah.
and when he
Correct.
started ruling, it will be, I think it will be not that kind of serious. It will start some
A
funny,
little bit of humor,
funny humor kind of content.
will be
I
there.
feel like that.
Yes, yes. So that is I love, because if this movie is truly on, you know, action kind of sequence or serious modern movie, so that time I would like say that yeah, it is a little bit kind of like a boring, but what we understood is a little bit touch of humor also
Because
will be
in
there.
the beginning only
Funny,
we see that
फटफटाना.
his left eye was blinking, and we Indian generally think that if left
अच्छा
eye
होता
is
है.
blinking, that
Some good will be happen.
something good will happen,
some good
and
will
for
happen.
right eye it was something bad will happen, right?
Yeah, yes.
It's like
So
that,
he
or maybe
is-
vice versa. I'm not sure.
No, no, left only.
Okay.
You are right only. Left आके फड़फड़ाता तो अच्छा होता है,
Okay.
right आके फड़फड़ाता तो बुरा होता है. Like
Okay.
this is the myth, you know.
Yeah.
So I think his bayak was
Yes, left
like
eye,
blinking,
yeah.
na? So that
Yes.
means I think something will be
Good,
happen
it's
good
going to
in his.
happen with him.
I think he
Yes.
can totally feel that thing that okay, something will be
Something is good is going to happen
yes.
with him. Yeah,
So
right.
yeah, it is an interesting kind of, you know, teaser, not that much unique because
Yeah.
ऐसा लड़ाई वगैरह का हम movie already पहले देख चुके हैं, but yes, execution wise I really like
Yes.
all of the picturization you say, or
Picturization was there, and whatever the
teaser,
music,
हाँ, the
music was there. It was good.
overall teaser is good, and
It was
music
good.
also
Not
very
best,
good.
but
not
it was
best,
good, yes.
but it was good. Yes,
Yeah.
it is a very
Yes.
you know,
I think, this
good
can,
movie.
if whatever
Singing
we are thinking that this movie will be like that in the same direction. If it goes, it is a good kind of
It is a
movie.
good
At
kind
least
of
you can
movie.
go and watch
Yeah.
for some time. Yeah.
True, because this kind of movie always like gives thrill, and it is a, you know,
Joyful of
great,
comedy.
joyful of comedy, and very nice to see.
Yeah.
You know, sit together and watch this movie, and you know, Vijay Sethupathi acting we all know he
Yeah.
is phenomenal in his own field. So this is a good stuff,
And for
good
Rashi
content.
Khanna, I think we just saw only one glimpse
One
where
glimpse.
she was kidnapped. Her eyes were
Not sure though,
I think
two girls are similar or not.
maybe.
वो दो girl अलग अलग भी हो
Okay,
सकता है.
okay.
We are not sure though. So please let us know if we made any mistake, or if we you know, made any mistake to understand the whole context, because of
Yes.
course this is in Tamil, so maybe some of the context we have missed,
We
but
might
what
have
we
missed,
are
yes.
thinking that this is the overall
Yes.
context. So please let us know in the comment section that
Yeah.
what do you think about this whole teaser, or what is the context, and who is Rashi Khanna, what is the, because we have not seen any role of any actress.
Yes.
Like
that much, that big role,
that
or
much is
any
not
love
there.
story kind of
No,
scene,
no.
or any song type of scene, we haven't seen.
We
that.
haven't seen
so
that.
I think for this teaser, it was not that great, you can say. So I will give 8 out of 10.
I'll give 9 out of 10.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, because why? Because I really love the execution, I really love the picturization, and Vijay
Yeah.
Sethupathi sir, I have full belief on him that he is going to be, you know, Farooq performance वो
Right.
देने वाले हैं. But
Yes,
the
based upon this
context,
teaser, yes.
based upon on the teaser only, I am giving, you know, 9 because the whole execution is good, but still something is missing, I think.
Yes, exactly,
something
exactly.
is
Some
missing,
context we
some
feel like
thrill
it
is
is
not
missing,
there,
yeah.
some context we could not understand, and also it is not a very unique concept to, you know, understand. Okay, so that is why overall it is a very good content and made our day.
Yes.
Truly amazing, because South Indian movie कोई भी आप देख लो ना, कोई teaser या फिर trailer या कुछ भी
Generally, it has a good
बहुत
message
अच्छा
and
लगता
good
है.
kind of a storyline also.
Really
Yes.
मतलब दिल खुश हो जाने वाला रहता है. Really.
That's
So yes, so that is it about our reaction for today on Tughlaq Darbar official teaser. Please let us know what you think about this reaction, and if you have any different opinion, you can please you know, let us know in the
Right.
comment bar. We read out everyone's comment. Everyone's, you know, comments are really appreciable for us.
Yes.
So yes, that is it for today's video. Please subscribe to our channel if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye.